So natural gas has broken to the upside here off of a very, very strong gap up on the morning session. Now, I have fully taken profits on my EQT call options and AR call options. We netted a beautiful, beautiful gain on both sets of calls that we called out live on the arbitrage opportunity, buying the daily 200 moving average on AR, buying this falling wedge pattern on EQT. Both have printed to the high side. Now, looking at the natural gas daily chart, the big question is the resistance level that we have tagged in the short term is your daily 200 moving average in blue here. We have now hit that area and we are seeing a little bit of sell side pressure. So I'm expecting the next couple days to be choppy inside day before we make a potential push to the high of this wedge pattern. But that being said, I have taken profits on my EQT and AR longs. AR is getting rejected off of this area that we discussed about. We gave you that upside target. You can see you are running into a little bit of near-term resistance. EQT, what an epic bounce to the upside, but over 120% on AR on our final position. Everyone had an opportunity to bank on those gains. I still have some common shares in UNG, so I'm still holding net long position, but whether or not this could absolutely flush down 50%, it would still be making money in the natural gas with the epic gains that we've had across the board on some of these individual equity based stocks. But nevertheless, my expectations for natural gas now is to become a little bit choppy underneath this daily 200 moving average. And the question is, which way is this wedge pattern going to break? Are we going to test the high before we get rejected and go lower? That is a strong chance. I do think that the next major resistance is going to be this down sloping wedge pattern. If we can consolidate above this impulse green candle, that would be a very, very healthy thing to see for nat gas. There is potentially a little bit of a zone here where we can pull back to before we make a little bit of a run up higher in the near term. Please consider like down below and we'll see you on the next bit later.